Have you ever wondered how that magical machine on your wall keeps your room cool on a scorching summer day? Today, we take you inside one of the most advanced air conditioner factories in the world, the Daikin production plant in Hanoi, Vietnam. Let's uncover how Daikin, Japan's #1 AC brand, builds its powerful air conditioners from scratch. Let's begin. The birth of an AC. It all starts with plastic molding. The journey of every split air conditioner begins with precision plastic molding. Using high-pressure injection machines, molten plastic is poured into detailed molds to form the outer casing, indoor grills, and fan blades. These parts aren't just for looks, they're engineered for durability, airflow efficiency, and noise reduction. The indoor unit's grill, frame, and fan components are made using precision molding machines. Every curve, vent, and blade is crafted with accuracy. Even the cross-flow fan, the long rotating cylinder that pushes air into your room, is molded here. Engineering the heat exchanger. Next, we dive into the heart of the air conditioner, the heat exchanger. Copper tubes are bent into U-shapes, called hairpins, and inserted into layers of aluminum fins. Then, the entire structure is bent again to maximize airflow. Pipes called U-tubes are inserted to connect the flow. All connections are soldered, a process that requires both heat and expertise. Ultrasonic magic and precision. Now comes the ultrasonic welding process. Instead of glue or screws, these fans are welded together using high-frequency sound vibrations. It's clean, fast, and super strong, but it doesn't stop there. Each fan is balance tested by spinning it at high speeds to ensure it runs smoothly, no wobbles allowed. A dimensional inspection also confirms the fans meet exact size standards. After that, gas is sealed inside the system to test its pressure strength. Engineers carefully check for any leaks. Once confirmed, the gas is recovered for reuse. Then, a seal plate is installed to lock everything in. Assembly of the indoor unit. Now it's time for the indoor unit assembly. Sealing materials are attached, the crossflow fan and heat exchanger are mounted, and electrical components like circuit boards and sensors are installed. Another leakage test ensures safety, and the front grille is snapped into place. Before leaving the station, the AC unit undergoes a high voltage test to ensure it's electrically safe. Then, engineers perform an operating inspection, basically turning it on to make sure it cools perfectly. The outdoor powerhouse. Let's move to the outdoor unit. The massive housing is shaped through press and paint processes.